Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a killer limeade. So first up, we're going to extract the lime juice. I'm basically just using 4 limes which I sliced in half. You can use lemons if you like, but I just preferred the taste of limes better. Next up, I used a lime press to take out the juices and squeezed out whatever was left over by hand. You can use any other method you like. Add in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of rock salt. Here I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust that according to your taste and depending on how tart your limes are. Add about a cup of water and give everything a good mix. Once you're happy with that, top that up with some more ice cold water. Once all those beautiful citrus flavors are well combined, you're gonna grab a glass, fill it up with some ice and pour in the delicious limeade straight on top of the ice all the way to the top. I just garnished the drink with a simple slice of lime which was left over. And there you guys have it, a delicious, perfect, refreshing limeade. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs up and subscribe, comment below for future video requests, things you want to see on my channel, and I'll see you next time.